on September 20th, NETGEAR Business will release the highly anticipated Orbi Pro. Hey, I'm Willie.
And I'm Brittany, and you're watching The Business Break.
Let's get started. We're gonna open this thing up. You ready, Brittany?
I'm ready.
Ooh.
Alright. Great. Ah, there it is. Do the honors. Nice.
Which one's which?
This is a satellite, and this is a router.
Okay. All right, let's keep going. 2 power units. And we also have the Ethernet cord. All right, now in this box, we have the mounting kit. It's got 2 mounting brackets with it, and they go to each Orbi. And then, of course, the bracket also comes with nails and stuff and screws. Looks like that's all, right?
Yeah. That's it.
And that's all we have in the box.
Yeah, the satellite, the router, the mounting brackets, and the charging cords.
So we already know from all the feedback and responses from our customers, they love the Orbi system. It's easy to use, it gives you great Wi-Fi. But Brittany, tell them why the Orbi Pro is more fit for a business.
Well, first of all, the Orbi Pro comes with a mounting system, and you can put your Orbi Pro basically anywhere in your business.
Can you put it on the wall?
Yes, you can.
Can you put it on the table?
Yeah, you can.
Can you put it on your dog?
Let's not put it there.
Okay.
Also, Orbi Pro comes with 3 predefined networks, 1 for your customer, 1 for your employees, and 1 for your administrative needs. So this is really important because you want to keep your customers and your confidential information separate.
Okay, so that way the customers, if you got any sneaky people in your business, they can't hack your stuff.
Yeah, you want to keep your information
Okay.
safe and sound.
And also it comes predetermined, predefined, so you don't really, the business owner doesn't really have to do anything, right?
Yeah, no IT work at all.
Awesome. Remember, September 20th, Orbi Pro comes out available for purchase. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you had a good time. Have a great day.
And stay tuned for future Orbi Pro videos.